Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku in additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, December the 14th, 2023. Already solved one puzzle. Not the 3 stars puzzle, should be a 0 star. 0 stars. We have 3 puzzles left. The binary, Jigsaw Sudoku. And this one you are interested. Yeah, for the 4 stars Sudoku. We need a 4-star Sudoku. Pablaza. Yeah. Let me zoom this out. Okay. This one will be number 7620. Yeah, 7620. This will be number 7620. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Yeah. The 4 stars has always 24. Okay. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. No. Before. Let me start over. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars? No. Well, we will see if this is a 4 stars. Alright, so let's get started. Already 1 minute and 40 seconds pass. Okay, so let's get started. Let me see. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, 2 2s, 3 3s, 2 4s, 3 4s, 3 5s, 2 6s, 3 7s, 3 8s, and 2 9s. It's divided. Well. Ay. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing, one of the missing number in this big square is the number 6. We have a 6 in the third row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1 and 2, 3. 4 is missing and 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. We have 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Need a 4 here. Need a 6 here. And I need a 7 here, need a 7 there, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 in these 3 boxes. Here, 7 in the first column. No 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. 7 in the first column. So the column between. Second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, okay. Well. Need a 1 here. I need a 6 here. 6 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8 in the second column. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 3 missing numbers in the third row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1, 3, 9. Well, cannot fill this yet. 1, 3, 9. It's divided here. Yeah. Spread. We have 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for 2 could be here, could be there. Need an 8 and a 9. Well, we have an 8 in this row, 8 in second row, so first row. Only 2 place level 8 goes together with a 2 as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 2 goes there, so 1 is left in the first row for the mark. I believe a 9. 9 in one of these 3 boxes in the third row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only place level 9 should be there. So these 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3 is missing, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. And look, we have 3 and a 5 in this column, so no 3 and a 5 in this box. 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 is left in this big square for number 1. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6 is missing, and 7 is missing. 4, 6, 7. Okay. Well. Now. I need an 8 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. And need a 5 there. Need a 3. We have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 5. We have 3 and a 5 in this column, so no 3 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 3 and a 5 in this row. No 3 and a 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 boxes are left for the 3 and a 5. Goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5. Okay. Now we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place level is 7 should be there. 4, 6, 7. Okay. 4, 7. Okay, need a 6. Somewhere should be the 6. 6 should be here. In one of these 2 boxes. Well. 7, 7. Need a 7 here. 6, 9, 9, 5 should be here. 9 and a 5. We have 5, 5. Need a 5 there. 9. Need a 3 there. 5, 5. Need a 5 here. Need an 8 here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, the only place level 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for number. The 1, 2 is missing, and a 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, middle row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Wow. Need an 8 here. 8, 9, 2. Well. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so it'll come next. Only 2 place level 8 should be here. On there, we have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row, so the row between. Only 2 place level 8 should be here. On there, we have an 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see this is number 1, number 8. 2 numbers left here, I believe the 2 and the 9. No, cannot fill this yet. Well, need a 1. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 goes together with the 7 as a pair. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place level 1 should be here. So these 3 missing numbers. Oh, well. 2 numbers left in the second column. The 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. And 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, only 2 place level 3 should be here on there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Yeah, 139. 139. Need a 5 here. 1 7. So the 2 and the 9 are left here. Need a 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left of 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the oh wait, cannot fill the 4s. Need to wait. Well, not true, not true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the middle column. No 4 in these 2 boxes. Here, 4 in this row. No 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left of 4 should be here on there. We have 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 1, the 2. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. All right. So need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Okay. And now the 6 and 4. Yeah. 4, 6, 7. We need in the second row 4, 6, 7, and look, we have a 4 and a 6 in the middle column. So no 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 7. Okay. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left. 7 could be here, could be there. Okay. 139, 139, okay. Need a 1 there. Need a 1 there. Need a 1 here. One, 9, 2. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 2 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 4 goes there. So I've eliminated here the 7. So the 7 goes there. So 1 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the model. 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. Yeah. Okay, 3 to 5, we have a 5 in this column. No 5 there, 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 1, 3, 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 9 in this column. So no 3 and 9 in this box. 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. We have 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So 1 digit left should be the 1 then. 1, 1. Yeah, 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the model. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. Here 2 missing numbers, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column, 4 and a 6. Well, this box should be a 6 then. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in that row. So the row between them in the row. The only place level 9 should be there. 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number. I believe the 2. Yeah. 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5, the 6, 5, the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 we have. 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 goes there. Finished in 50 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. Because I'm not faster than 50 minutes. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also over by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. The binary and the 4 stars. Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.